One day, a 75-year-old golfer came home and complained to his wife. "Sweetheart, I could have played a good game today if not for my bad eyesight. After I hit the ball, I don't see where it goes." His wife replied, "Of course your eyes are bad. After all, you're 75. So bring your older brother along." The man said, "But he's already 85. "It doesn't matter," the wife said, "his eyes are still good." So the man brought his older brother to his golf game the next day. After he hit the ball, he said to his brother, "I didn't see where the ball went. Did you?" "Yes, I did," answered the older man. "Oh, good. Where did the ball go?" "What ball?" asked the older man. "The ball I just hit," replied the golfer. "Did you hit a ball?" The older brother had good vision, but he was forgetful. You may have a good vision and dreams for your life, but you can be forgetful. So commit your dreams to writing. When you do, you don't forget and you focus on the blessings that come your way. When you have a dream, you attract to your life all the ingredients that you need to fulfill it.